Today I'm going to show you how to make a sketch effect in Photoshop, kind of like this. Here I have the original photo that it started with, and I'm going to delete the layer that I just made and start over. So first off, I'm going to duplicate this layer just because I want to have a backup. So I'm going to make 2, and I'm using Control J on my keyboard to do that. So that will duplicate your layer, and then you go up to Image, Adjustments, and down to Desaturate. That will make our image black and white, which is perfect. Next, we're going to Control J again. That will duplicate it again. And then we're going to go back up to Image, back up to Adjustments, and down to Invert. Ooh, spooky. Once we have our inverted image, we go over to our blending modes here. It starts out at normal. You're going to click it and go to Color Dodge. And whoa, that will make your screen all white, if not mostly white. And then you're going to go to Filter, Other, Minimum. And when you hit that, you'll start to see something. Now, you want to change your preserve to roundness if it's not already at roundness. And then you can change your slider accordingly. So obviously that's a bit too much, but if I turn it down a little, I'm getting finer lines. And I adjust it kind of to where I see something I like. And I'm going to keep it here because I'm going to darken my lines using a curve. So once I have that, I'm going to just select both my inverted and my desaturated layer, and then right click and just merge those layers. And then I'm going to go to Adjustments, Curves, and here is where I'm going to get kind of darker lines by just adjusting the curve ever so slightly until I get the right amount of gray and black and white balance here. And I don't really need to do too much. I just kind of play with it until it looks like I want. And that's it. I hope you liked it. One thing I really like to do is, I'm just going to apply that to the layer below. I like to multiply this on top of a photograph. So with my sketch selected, if I multiply, it has a really cool effect. So I hope you guys like this, and check out my other videos for more tips.